Howdy, day 36. What is up? Not too bad on these charts. Walt Disney, that's gone green for us. Almost into profit, barely just under at the moment. We have touched above there in the last couple minutes or so. Might see it go blue if you're lucky. Still into the second wise man trade, but it is looking good. Same for Mackie D's, a gap up over the weekend and pushed a bit more since then, around about $100 up there. Yet to see the awesome oscillator turn, but still a very good signs for us. And it was a green day overall for the Dow Jones Index, or at least it is going 20 minutes into the close. Just over 1.5% green. That's what we like to see. What a push on JP Morgan Chase. If we'd held out on these trades here, they went down about 5% at the low. If we'd held out, it would be looking pretty good here. Back into profit even for our second wise man. What could have been. Small recovery for Cisco Systems. Might keep an eye out for the second wise man here, see if we can get it trundling over to green. Same here on the United Health Group. We did see a bit of a bullish divergent bar there. If we get a third green awesome oscillator bar tomorrow, we'll go in with a stop order there. No signals kicking us off for the week. At least we still got Walt Disney and McDonald's. And we should get some more rolling through now. We're looking at just starting off with either a wise man 1, 2 or 3 signal. Not just waiting for those wise man ones. We're going to get stuck in with a bit of everything if it comes along. Plenty of margin free. It won't be an issue there unless we start getting in 7, 8 trades, long ongoing trades. But then hopefully we'd have the profits to keep that margin levels up. Looking a long way into the distant future, and a very idealistic future it is. Back tomorrow, check them again. Day 37, a bit of a mixed bag for us. It did drop on Walt Disney just a little bit. Still got the awesome oscillator amazingly. Very much ranging right now, the prices, and we're about $100 down after the red day. Could have gone worse. Again, it did come close to the stop loss. All good though. And McDonald's, a very nice day here. Look at that 3% push. From tomorrow, we can start trading this stop loss forward. Still yet to see the awesome oscillator turn as well here. If it keeps pushing though, sooner or later it's going to come. $300 up on this one and looking good. What about them others? Real nice looking doji, a bullish divergent bar on Dow Inc. Price has been very much ranging though. It's all over the alligator right on top of it. It is the third awesome oscillator bar red as well, heading downward over the last week or two. But with this bullish divergent bar, not a signal we can get in, I don't think. Similarly on Goldman Sachs, bullish divergent bar here, but right on top of the alligator, not for us. Same on Honeywell, bullish divergent bar. It's not quite touching the alligator, but with the ATR at 557, all these lines are only about 350 away or so. Very rangy, and not a convincing signal just because of the candle. We have got a third green bar on United Healthcare Group here. Multiple green days in a row. Could be due to a retracement, but we are getting the signal, so we're going to set a stop buy order for this one. Price closing near the tops. We'll set it a little bit higher above that. We'll go for 500 on the nose with a stop loss of 478.50. With 1% capital risk on the line, that does get us to a volume of 45. Let's pop that one down. Looking dandy. Why have I got the feeling that the spread is going to go wider and we're going to get in the after hours? We'll see what happens. Good to have the stop order down. Second wise man on the line. JP Morgan moving that bit higher, as is Merck continuing to climb higher. What a run it's been on. Fair dues. Now up almost 29% from February 24th lows. Looks like it's going to be just United Healthcare Group today for us. Hopefully Disney can turn back around though, and McDonald's, that's looking good. We saw it dropped off same day as Walmart, Coca-Cola, Procter & Gamble. Now the return, and McDonald's looking stronger than it was even before then, back into this price range. We're looking for a big trade here. Let's come back tomorrow. Day 38, here we go. Walt Disney looking not too bad, has pushed back up, still not in the green. We are about $60 down on that one. Still got the awesome oscillator with us though. This has got to turn over sooner or later. Very tight readings, but we are still in it. Here's our golden trade, McDonald's Corporation. We can shift that trading stop loss up. Let's trade to the low of that candle. $281 up on that one, keeping us positive overall. And we do have the awesome oscillator switch for Wise Man 2. First green bar, 2 more to go before we set a stop order. Might see a retracement here. Has been quite a big push over the last few days. United Health Group last up, we did get into the trade. And we got into it today, not in the after hours. This is at 5:30, so about an hour after the open. And we are a little bit down. Remember, this is carrying quite a amount of risk on it, the 1% risk. So we're just about $100 down, but it's not too far from our entry price. Not so worried about that one. Might have a retracement as well. It doesn't look too different to McDonald's. As long as it doesn't retrace beneath the stop loss, of course, then we are fine with that retracement if it wants to carry on going. Yep. Let's Check the other 27. Cisco Systems turns green on the awesome oscillator. A couple more days might get the signal there. Second wise man has been drifting back up since the almighty crash last week. Verizon continuing to push its return. This would have looked very nice. Not quite a first wise man there, but this second wise man signal might have been okay. And you'd be even looking all right on a third wise man if you looked at this fractal here. Set yourself a stop order just there. You're going to around about here and be pushing up. Strong day today for them, almost 3% to the green. Walmart is a little bit slower on this recovery than some of those other stocks, but we are seeing the awesome oscillator turn here. There's a green bar. If we see a couple more of those if it stays flat, could get on a nice run here. Looking out for this one. Same on Coca-Cola. First green bar for the awesome oscillator down here, but the recovery has pushed quite considerably faster than on Walmart. So if it does push and gets up to these highs, might not be the best second wise man entry signal to be fair. But that is it for tonight. No new trades. At least we got 3 going though. A couple of them in the red, but only a little bit in the red. We can see United Health has pushed back up even more. Maybe we come back tomorrow and they're all to the good. We can only hope. Day 39 has been a pretty good day for us. Walt Disney nearly back at the entry price, only down about $9 there. McDonald's, that's pushing, and we got a second awesome oscillator bar for the second wise man. We can move our stop loss up. Let's trail that higher. Each day we're seeing a higher low, so we can keep trading if it's going to go like that. And finally, United Health has turned good for us as well. Did push down a little bit, around about 1.5%, but it's turned on its heels since then, and we sit around about $170 up for it. Another nice push for the Dow as a whole today, 2%, continuing this week's nice little run for it. Pleasant to see after all these previous red weeks. Let's check the other charts. Going to go in on this rare signal here. The bearish divergent bar, it's away from the alligator. Seems fine. Don't know if it's going to do well, but at least let's take it and see. Going to get in at 251.20 if we do. So there we go. Our first bearish signal that we're putting a stop order down for. Do prefer the bullish ones, but I suppose whatever will make the strategy money is all good. Amgen have been on a bit of a run up, so this might just be a consolidation. As long as it doesn't drop down, get us in, and then go to the stop loss, that's fine. If it wants to just go green again tomorrow and push higher and higher, no problem. We just won't get in the trade. But we have seen Merck doing well. Another pharmaceutical company, Johnson & Johnson, not doing too bad considering market conditions. Another green day on Cisco, same for the awesome oscillator bar there. Could see that turn for number 3 tomorrow. Intel Corporation as well. Wouldn't mind seeing 2 more green bars here on the awesome oscillator. Not pushing too much, but if we could just get a little bit of a climb, maybe get a second wise man signal in there. Look forward to the potential there. That's it for tonight though. Those are our moves, getting our trade down on Amgen there for the bearish reversal. But we are seeing Walt Disney come just into the green here. Or blue. Kind of wish it was green, but it's blue, and that's not too bad. If you do want to see the strategy do well, start buying those Disney shares. It can only help. We'll be back tomorrow. Day 40, end of week. We did have a bit of a mixed day. Amgen not going well. It got us into the trade and then knocked us right out of it. You can see $196.80 lost. Let's put it on the 30-minute chart so you can just see it a bit better. This was the opening candle of the day. Got us in on the first minute, 4:31.09 seconds. And then basically as soon as it got us in, it went all the way back up and knocked us out of the stop loss pretty near the top of the day. So real poor there. But not going bad on some of these other ones. We did just about tag in on Walt Disney into that second wise man signal. I'm going to move up the stop loss just a touch from the first wise man signal. We're going to pop that there beneath this low. But it's going okay. It was certainly a nice push. Shame it didn't get us past where we entered into for this second wise man. But got to be in it to win it. McDonald's, another push. Yes, we can trail this past our entry price, so we're now guaranteed profits from the trade, even if it was only just a touch. And we can take a second wise man signal as well. Don't know if it's the best time to get in because it's seen quite a run up, but we will give it a go. Follow the system. So here comes our buy stop order. It's going above the high. Going to place it a couple dollars above 253 just because the high is quite close to the close at the moment. 253, and it was quite a volatile day, so we got a bit of a wide stop loss to 243. Let's pop that one down. It looks all right to me. And finally, United Health Group. That's had a push to the green as well. In profit here, $233 up. Hopefully soon we are able to start trading this stop loss higher. Wouldn't mind some guaranteed profit from this one, but there we go. So we got 4 trades open now. 2 of them on Walt Disney, 1 of them on United Health, another one on McDonald's, and then we've got a 5th one that's pending for McDonald's for a second wise man too. How about the other charts? Let's find out. Second green awesome oscillator bar for Apple Inc. on the awesome oscillator. So maybe come Monday, if it stays green, we could be getting a second wise man signal in there. Wouldn't mind that. Cisco Systems, we've had the second wise man signal come here. Another light green day, so we can put a stop order down. $46.30 will be the entry price for 464 shares. Let's get it down. How are we looking? Yeah, might get a good run from it. Second green awesome oscillator bar on Intel Corporation. JP Morgan Chase still running green. These trades from back here would have looked really nice, and they didn't go that far down either. Pretty disappointing stuff when all said and done. Same for our Goldman Sachs trades all the way back at the start over here. First wise man would certainly be in profit now, and second wise man would be too. Shame we didn't get the first wise man divergent bar down here. That would have been a pretty nice signal. Third green awesome oscillator bar on Walmart as well. Let's get in for this one. We'll get the stop order at least. Here we go, 1% risk on this one again, of course. So let's pop that down. Might be into it before the end of the day by the look of it. Put it a bit tight maybe there, see what happens. That's it for signals. At least we got a few more down. Looking like things could go pretty nice for us, especially if the market wants to carry on green next week. This is the Dow index here, and the last week has been quite nice, just over 5% gained. A very nice reprieve after I think about 7 or 8 weeks in a row. Let's have a look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 weeks in a row red. So finally seeing a nice push to the green side, recovering some of these losses. That's what the market needs. Let's come back after the weekend, find out how our existing trades are doing, and see if we got any new ones joining them. Inside our journal, in terms of closed off trades, only Amgen this week, nothing else. And we did have a bit of bad luck there. That is going to come from time to time in the markets though. And we just got to hope that these trades that we're in at Walt Disney, McDonald's, United Health, hopefully they can propel us forward. And we got a couple more down to look forward to. 8 weeks into the strategy now, we are still down quite a considerable amount, but maybe these can bring it back. Now, having taken 9 trades with an extra 3 signals on top of that, we'll keep at it, keep on trying, seeing if that bear market can turn around to a bull market. A nice sustained bull market. Let's get these stocks back to all-time highs, why not? Now, that'd be a dream. Back on Monday.